Hello, party people! It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here, and I was gonna say that I'm live, but I'm not live because this is for YouTube. So, just to introduce myself, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Randee, and I am the sole proprietor of Thunderhorse Descendant. And I've been putting up videos on Facebook. We do videos on Facebook on Tuesday and Friday at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, where we do giveaways every Tuesday and Friday, and I talk about jewelry items I've made. Sometimes I do beading on there. Sometimes, we just talk about jewelry, basically. And so you're like, why are you telling me this? The reason I'm telling you this is because I've just recently gotten into YouTube within the last year. We have gotten a lot of new subscribers, new people to the Facebook group. So if you're not involved in Thunderhorse Descendants business page, head over there, give that a like. That's where I do all the giveaways. And also I have a Thunderhorse Descendant Facebook group where we do different things on there. You're welcome to share your projects you're working on, different types of stuff like that, making videos. I put up more like personal, like this is what I'm working on today type videos. So the reason I'm telling you this is because one of the Thunderhorse Descendants, Miss Karen Waters, was cleaning her studio out and thought of me, and she sent me this box. And I have had this box for a while. I mean, I've had it for a few weeks. Honestly, I was just really busy and I haven't got around to doing the video about it, but I wanted to do the video about it because Karen is such a sweet, sweet lady. And, it's a very nice group with us and a community. And I was so excited that when she was cleaning her studio out, she thought, hey, you know who could use this stuff? Randee. So I'm so grateful. So I wanted to, first of all, say thank you so much to Karen. And I wanted to show you guys what's in this box. And we will get on into the video. So here we go. All right. So here is what we got. Ooh. And it comes with this beautiful card. Pretty. And it says, Randee, you are always so generous. I was looking at my pendants and decided you needed these. You are a special lady, Karen. Goodies for you. So that's super cute because when I send my packages out, I always send, we call it Happy Mail over at Thunderhorse Descendant. And I always deck it up with the Happy Mail stickers and everything. So super cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this off to the side. I'm going to grab a bead mat. And we're just going to take them out one at a time and give them a look-see. What has Miss Karen sent us? Okay, so this one is Vintage Artisan Market. This is a part of the Candy Cooper line. Brand new. Super awesome. I know I have seen these in like Michael's or maybe it's Hobby Lobby. I think it's Hobby Lobby. But it's got her little Candy Cooper's bird. She really likes that. And this is part of a line that I know that they were working on. Okay, second one. These look like some little winged, yeah, some little wing hearts. Oh, those are cute. You know I'm going to be using those. For sure. I could patina paint on there, and there's quite a lot of them. Let me see. Yeah, 10. Spectacular. 10 of those. Super cute. Okay, moving on. Oh no, what's this? I did open this box before, but I haven't looked at it in a little while. Oh, now these are going to be super great for when I go to set them. They look like 18 by, what is it, 13 by 18 ovals, millimeters. And I do have some settings. I hope they fit. I have a lot of different settings, so I'm super excited about those. You just glue these in to your setting, to your bale or your tray or whatever they call that. And I think you can get these also at, you know, a craft store. I've seen them on sticker sheets where they're sticky. So those are really cool. Now, what is this one? So this one, oh, super cute. She's a cowgirl. I love that. I love that. Kind of like a vintagey cowgirl. So this one is what they call a domino size tray, and it has a glass on it. So that one is super cute. Okay. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, now I love this. I really love, personally, the rustic, sparkly type situation. And I love that. That's great. It's got like blue patina on it. Yeah, Karen, you are a rock star. What's this one? Oh, we got a little, like a Celtic cross. Or the Chopper's cross. Super cute. Okay. Now we're getting into it. This is amazing. This is amazing. Karen, I love this so much. I might just make something for myself with this bad boy. That'll definitely go with my Johnny Cash t-shirt. Oh, yeah, absolutely. That's so amazing. And it has, I don't know if this is a Rivoli. But yeah, super great. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. It's raining here in Minnesota, but I can hear it. Okay, we got a little arrow. Now this feels heavy. This one feels heavy. Oh, okay, because it's glass. Ooh, look at that faceting on there. It's like, oh, I didn't, okay, follow through. Oh, I love that. It's like a little shadow box for this arrow. What's this? 31. That might have just came off of something, probably. It's great. I love it. I will definitely be using that. But wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. Okay. Now, when I originally got this box, Karen, I texted her, I sent her this message. I was like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Thank you so much. She asked about these antlers, and I adore them. I adore them. Look at that. These are great. So clearly, I like antlers because I have them in my logo. So if you're not familiar with my logo, it is antlers with the flowers on it. My girlfriend designed it for our company. A girl I went to school with, her name is Melissa, and she owns BusyMo Media and Design. She can be found. I'll leave a link in the description. She designed it for me a few years ago, and every Christmas we do like an updated Christmas logo for the Christmas season. So I actually am having a blue Elvis Christmas this year. That's the theme that I've decided to go with. And I called her up and I told her, and I sent her over some graphics, and she just whipped up a like super cool special edition Thunderhorse Descendant logo. It is blue for blue Elvis. It's got Elvis Christmas bulb hanging off the antlers, blue suede shoes. Like, it's perfect. So I'm super excited. I really enjoy these. And the cool thing about these is I think you could even, you know, paint on them, patina paint. I will the first thing I thought of when I saw these was I will wire wrap some beads around, some like little seed beads. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, now what's this one? So I don't know if this applies. This says Fire Mountain. It must be, because it says Lime Teardrop, 50 by 37 millimeters. It doesn't say the stone. Focal lime. I'm assuming that it's probably a heat-treated, dyed stone, but it is a stone. And it's very pretty. Karen knows me too well. That would also go with my Johnny Cash t-shirt. And do some wire wrapping in there with that square wire. Oh, I also have square wire available on my website and on my Etsy store, which are linked in the description of this video. So if you're looking to do some wrapping on these types of stones and you want a really cool look with the wire, I have 21 gauge square wire. I get that from Taylor's Falls Bead Store. It is the kind that I use, so I just put some up on the site available for everybody. It is like $6.75 for a roll, and there's different colors too. So here looks like a Candy Cooper thank you note. It's one of those cool arrows. It's one of those cool 3D arrows. I love that. Definitely will be using that. And she's a big one. She's like 2 inches at least. Look at there. All right. And we're going to keep going. Here's some more little arrows. I love arrows. So I like to use these as a charm, put them on a necklace, match them in with my other stuff. Oh, now what's this? Oh, cool. You could bead it. It's got a hole where it could be a bead. Looks enameled, but it also has a bail if you want to use it for that, which is super awesome because you could do a bail and then do a second strand through there, which is probably what I will do with it. It looks very artisan and handmade. Love that. There's still things in this box. Oh, here we have another Candy Cooper one from the Vintage Artisan Market. And this one has a little heart and the little arrow. Oh, look. So there's what they're doing with their arrow. Putting it on this little guy. Is it a 3D arrow? No, it's this. These are the same ones pretty much. So that's awesome because if I wanted to put all arrows on there, I could. If I wanted to whip up, one like this, I could do that. Super awesome. Here's a little gold heart. She even included a little bail with it. Karen, you're so nice. Where's my player? I got one player. All right. So here's a little gold cage heart. I actually have some of these in all the colors, but I do use them a lot. Now this gold, I have something similar to this, and I have patina painted it because it's a little brassy for me, but I will use it and patina paint it. And actually, I've been getting this really cool rosary chain, or you could even use, like if you do Jesse James, they have, what is the chain called? The chain reaction. Run the chain reaction around, make this your focal, tie a little piece of ribbon over the top of your like bail portion. And I've made a few like that and they're turning out really nice. So I'm excited about that. Looks like we have 2 left in the box. And here they are, these 2. So this is a cute little arrowhead. Is that labradorite in there? Let me look. It is. It is. Let me get that out of the way. Can you see the flash? That is labradorite stone. Nice. That is nice. And it looks like it's just been soldered around the edge. I really like that a lot. That is giving me, I don't know, it feels like you could just do like regular, just a plain pendant with this, but I will probably do, I'm feeling like lots of tassel and chain for that. Okay, and then lastly, JTB. Okay, I've never had anything from JTB, and I don't know if this is the bag. Yep, it's the bag. Blue magnesite 45 millimeter coin pendant, which I believe is what this is. So this is awesome. This is my first JTB piece. It's very shiny. It's very smooth. I like that. I like that it's very smooth. It is coming across on the camera a little darker than it is actually in real life. This is more of like a baby blue more instead of a teal. But it is very substantial. It feels nice, and I will definitely be getting that wrapped up on something. I don't know what, but it's amazing. Okay. Let me give you guys the full effect here. Okay, here's the full effect of all the items that Karen sent, because she's just an amazing lady. And of these items, oh, they're all really nice. But I have to say that my favorite of all of the items, oh, it's a toss-up. Honestly, I really love this one. I really love this a lot. And I also really love this one, this double-sided arrow shadow box doings. So those are probably my two favorites. This one is they're all nice. I really love them a lot. I like these Candy Cooper ones. I've never had any of those. I've seen them in the store, but I never had any. This little cowgirl is super great for like my Southwestern feel. These stones are amazing. Like, it's super good. Okay, I'm going to flip you guys, and I'm going to give you my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so big shout out to Karen. She's one of our party people, and we love her so much. And thank you so much for all these items, and I will be using them. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, do all the YouTube things, subscribe, hit the bell. What else can you do on YouTube? Do all those things. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can do lives on YouTube, because I do lives on Facebook all the time. So it would be nice to do the YouTube lives, because I just feel like the video is better quality once you upload it into YouTube. I don't know why. But anyways, I am also working today on getting my next bargain bead box video going. We still have, if you've been following that at all on this channel, we still have some items left in this little bag, and we got to make these before the next box comes out. So I'm going to link a bunch of links in the description, so head down there to the description if you're looking for something. I'm going to link my Etsy store and my website and all the things. So if you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave it in the comments. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I hope you had a good time, and hopefully I'll be seeing more of you. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.